So good morning, everyone. So this is our mini project class. We'll start definitely right now. Now the today's project will be discussed over here. That is automatic street light control. Okay, automatic street light control. You know that in the street, so many lights are there everywhere in the town areas. Okay, so it may happen in the daytime, some of the lights may be on. It remains on. Nobody is there to off the switch. Okay, so that means it's a manual process. Go there and they can manually switch off the power supply. Then the LED bulb or whatever with the light that will be turned off. But if we make it automatic, then it will be most value-added service. Okay, wastage of power will not be there, so we can go for that sort of circuit, designing of that sort of circuit. So for that, you need some component here to make the circuit. Okay, when you are going to draw a physical circuit, real-time circuit, then you need some sort of electronic components. Namely, first one is your Arduino board. You will heard the name of Arduino board and you have used also. Then you need some jumper wires. Okay, you need some sort of power supply. Okay, you need one photoresistor. This is the main important component is here, photoresistor. Okay, photoresistor. So let us go to the circuit board actually. So today I will show you how to draw, how to connect the circuit and how to build up the code. I will show you from the beginning. Okay, from the beginning I will show you. Don't worry about that. Okay. So please tell me whether I am audible to you or not.
Sir.
हाँ.
हेलो सर.
बोलो.
सर एक क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ बोलो ना.
सर वही जो टिंकर कैड है उसमें नया सर्किट ड्रॉ कर रहे ना, तो फिर उसके बाद सेव कहाँ हो रहा सर? सेव कर रहे तो
ऑटोमेटिक सेव
फ्रंट
हो
में
रहा है
दिखा नहीं
हम।
रहा, फिर तो अपना
अच्छा,
वापस गायब हो जाता।
नहीं हम दिखा देंगे। ओके, आई विल शो यू हाउ टू
उसका कुछ
again again
फंक्शन है तो बता दीजिए ना सर।
again how to retrieve that file. I will show you because I have made so many projects for you. This is I have made, isn't I have showing you. Then definitely how to save the Tinkercad project here. I will show you. A simple thing is there. Hmm. I can show you. It saved automatically. Okay, don't worry about that. I can show you. I can explain it. And how to give the name, that also I can share. Okay. So therefore, so we start from the beginning. Okay, start from the beginning. So state automatic state type controller we are going to design. Okay, so this project is automatic state type. So let us start from the beginning. Okay. So when you are going to design new project, then go circuit and then new create new circuit. देखो मैंने जो जो चीज बनाया है यहाँ पे all are present. Okay, at the very beginning. Okay, you select circuits, you will get all the circuits what you have made earlier. Now we are going to design or creating new circuit. Okay, new project. Okay, so clicking over new circuit, create new circuit. And I am very much interested because you show much interested about this mini project. Because today I had some special work because that work is going on. I got some responsibility over there. 15 July is the deadline. So इसलिए कुछ schedule कर देंगे after. But you showed very interest. So that's why I'm asking. So this is your black workspace. Okay, blank workspace. So at the beginning of any sort of project, you have to choose because this is Arduino based microcontroller based program. So you have to choose the Arduino board first. Okay. So you choose Arduino board first. So this is your Arduino board. So paste here. Now we take one breadboard. It's a good habit. Always you please take breadboard. Okay. So this is the breadboard. I told you the connections, how breadboard are connected, these ports are connected, they are interlinked. I told you. So if you have any doubt, those having a doubt, who he or she can ask me. Then we'll take one photo register. Okay. This is your photo register. Okay. So photo register. Okay. What is the functionality of the photo register? So photo register. Photo is there and register is there. Two terms is there. Combiningly photo register. So that means when light fall on it, its resistivity changes. Okay. So using this property, we are going to control the mechanism of the light. We can control the speed of the motor, DC motor also. We can switch on or off your LEDs or lights. Okay, so you can implement so many things. Okay, so you can use some sort of buzzer. Something happening is there, and you are made some threshold voltage. When that value goes beyond threshold, so buzzer will be there. Buzzer will be there. This means there will be a ring sort of sound. Okay. So this is your photo register. Okay. So its resistivity changes when light fall on it. Okay. So this is the case. So how to use that? This is terminal 2, this is terminal 1. Okay, this is the case. So this is your ground potential, this is your 5 volt power supply. So every time I told you, you take 5 volt here and ground potential here for the benefit, Okay. So I am connecting this. So this is your plus 5 volt. So you can make it red color. So this is 5 volt. This line basically is showing the plus 5 volt. Now take one ground potential here. Connect this, and ground you can take black color. So your VCC and ground is ready here. Okay. Now this photoresistor actually create a potential divider circuit. You have to make a potential divider circuit. Okay. So this photoresistor actually generates analog types, analog sort of signal. Okay. This photoresistor will generate analog sort of signal, not digital. So that's why the value you have to read by means of this analog pins. Okay. So here you have to use analog pins. Okay. To read the values because it's a analog signal will generate. So what should be the connections? So we'll take one resistor here because you have to make potential divider circuit. Okay. So potential divider circuit. So you have to double click over here, click on this item and see the resistance is 1 kilo ohm. So you have to make it 10 kilo ohms. Okay. You make 10 kilo ohms. Then you have to connect it to the ground potential. Okay. So make it ground potential. Okay. So ground potential connect हो गया. Now ये जो है that you have to connect, make it red color with the power supply. Okay. That is your plus VCC plus 5 volt. So see connection is there. Okay. Connection is there. Now you take this point. देखो ये क्या होगा प्लस VCC फोटो रजिस्टर देन ग्राउंड the circuit is complete. Okay. So when light fall on it, the resistivity of this circuit, this item, this photoresistor will change and accordingly current flowing through the path is also varied. Okay. So resistivity of this element when varied, so that means if it is suppose the resistance is R1, this resistance is R2. So क्या होगा VCC divided by R1 plus R2. That should be the current flowing through this path. So when the value of R1 is varied, so voltage across this resistor R2 will also vary. Okay. So we'll send this voltage, terminal 2 voltage to the A0 pin. Okay. So that's why you connect here, one terminal here, then come here, and you must connect it. A0. So you can change the color here. You can click orange also. This is connected. Okay. Now suppose you are going to measure voltage across this resistor. Then you have to use 1 voltmeter. Okay. So this is your voltmeter. Okay. This is your voltmeter. So this is your ground potential. You can connect it, and this should be connected where. So sorry, this is negative. Black generally negative होता है. So this is grounded. And red क्या करेंगे हम? This. Okay. So make it red color. देखो कनेक्शन देखिए. ये वोल्टमीटर कहाँ कनेक्ट है? The ground, this negative is grounded, and this knob must be connected where you want to measure the voltage, because you are going to measure the voltage across this resistor. So you have to apply the voltmeter across the resistor. You will know that. If you are going to measure the current, then you have to use the millimeter or microammeter series with the circuit. If you will know about that. When you are going to measure current, then you have to use the current meter in series with the circuit. When you are going to measure voltage of any device, then you have to apply a voltmeter across on that particular device or on that particular component. So you are going to measure the voltage across R2. So that's why I see this point and this point में a voltmeter connect हो गया. So now you're going to simulate it. I'm not writing the code still. Okay, I'm not
सर
writing.
सुनिए ना.
Follow.
हेलो. सर हमको तीसरा नंबर वाला कनेक्शन एक बार फिर से बताइए तो, जो
अच्छा
थर्ड वाला किए।
बोलो बाबू कौन सा स्टॉप से बोलो।
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलो ना।
सर नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से कुछ क्लियर नहीं हो पाया, तो ब्रीफ में तो फिर से रिपीट कर
हाँ
दीजिएगा।
हाँ
कर दिया तो मेरा बात।
तुम्हारा नेटवर्क कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। मैं भी तुम्हारा आवाज ठीक से नहीं सुन पाए। स्पीड काट 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 के इसे आ रहा है। तो मैं दोबारा इसको मैं बोल देते हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। Today's project is we are going to design automatic street light controller. Okay. For that, the main component is here. That is your photoresistor. This element. This is called photoresistor. Okay. What is the purpose of using that? So mainly before that you have to know what is the working principle of this photoresistor. So photoresistor, that means photo, that means light, when fall on it, resistivity changes. So accordingly, when the resistivity changes, the current flowing through this resistor also will change. So for that, whenever you are going to use any sort of analog sensor, analog component, then you have to use one potential divider circuit, voltage divider circuit. Okay. So that's why this is your photoresistor. So this terminal 2 में हम लोग वहाँ resistor यूज किए हैं। इसका वैल्यू कितना है? 10 किलो है to the ground. This is your ground. And terminal 1 को plus VCC से कनेक्ट कर दिया। So you have to connect terminal 1 of the photoresistor with plus VCC and the terminal 2 to be connected to the VCC through the resistor R2. Through the resistor R2, and the value of R2 is 10 kilo ohms. So this is the connectivity procedure of photoresistor. So इसके लिए complete हो गया. Now you have to find out voltage across this resistor, voltage across this potential divider circuit. So as you know, if you are going to measure voltage of any resistor, then you have to apply the voltmeter across that resistor. समझ गया ना? तो across that resistor means you have to connect this point and this point. So इसलिए देखो ये नेगेटिव वोल्टमीटर का नेगेटिव ग्राउंड में दे दिया और रेड कलर को one end of the resistor में दे दिया. So definitely this voltmeter is across the resistors. So when the light fall on this photoresistor, then its resistivity will change, and accordingly current flowing through this path, this circuit will also change. When the current flowing through this path will change, so V into I, that is voltage across this resistor, will also change, and that voltage will going to measure over this voltmeter. So that much I have told you. Okay. So this is the connection procedure. So one end of the resistor is connected to the positive pole of the voltmeter, and negative terminal of the voltmeter is connected to the ground. ये तरीका होता है, रियल टाइम में भी हम लोग ऐसे कनेक्ट करता है. तो दिस इज द वे ऑफ कनेक्टिंग the voltmeter across this resistor or voltage divider resistors. Okay. And how we have connected this terminal? Okay, देखो यहाँ पे we are going to send this potential to this analog input. Okay, this analog input, because this photoresistor we generates by changing its property, its resistivity, voltage across this resistor. That voltage basically it's an analog type. So that's why we are connecting with the analog pin A0. Okay, so we are connecting analog pin. So when we are going to use any sort of analog sensors, okay, or any sort of analog signal, then we must use this A0 to A5 pin. Okay, this is the case. So up to this, if you have a doubt, you can raise your question. So what I am telling you that we have to find out the voltage across this resistor, whether the resistivity of this photoresistor changes or not with the light. So that's why we go for simulation. Now देखो ये knob आ गया, देखो ये knob आ गया. So that means when you are moving that way, see, so light intensity improves. Okay, light intensity improves. And see here voltage showing you the voltage here. So maximum voltage कितने हैं देखो, almost it should be maximum of 5 volt. Okay, it should be 5 volt, but practically it's showing 4.76 volt. Some voltage is dropped anywhere to the circuit. Okay, so we are getting maximum voltage
आ
almost.
जाएगा सर,
हाँ
हेलो
हाँ
सर,
हाँ
5 आ जाएगा। आप रजिस्टर का वैल्यू को किलो ओम का जगह ओम में लीजिए ना, आ जाएगा 5 वोल्ट पूरा
नहीं,
पूरी।
वो लेने का कोई जरूरत नहीं। ठीक है, ठीक है, लेकिन वी आर गोइंग टू
हाँ
मेजर द
सर,
वोल्टेज अक्रॉस दिस रेजिस्टर्स। ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पोटेंशियल डिवाइडर होता है ना। ठीक है, सो पोटेंशियल डिवाइडर मींस दैट दैट कंपोनेंट हैज आल्सो सम रेजिस्टिविटी। ओके, R1 प्लस R2 होता है, सो इसलिए थोड़ा कम ही होगा। ठीक है, क्योंकि इधर में भी सम वोल्टेज इज ड्रॉप्स हियर, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट शुड बी मैक्सिमम ऑफ 5 वोल्ट एंड दैट शुड बी बिलो टू दैट, not be beyond the plus 5 volt, because your ground potential is 5 volt. Okay, so this is the case.
तो सर
So
मेरा आ गया 5 वोल्ट
ठीक है,
कैसे
ये 10 किलो ओम से लेना है। ठीक है, यू
कनेक्शन।
यूज किलो ओम ऑर्डर। ठीक है, यू यूज किलो ओम ऑर्डर। ओके,
सर ओम नहीं ले सकते,
नहीं 10 किलो ओम ले लेना। ठीक है,
ऐसा क्यों सर?
क्यों नहीं है, लेकिन क्या है ना, ये ज्यादा होगा तो क्यों करंट कम होगा, और ये डिवाइस तो क्या होगा ना, ये बर्न नहीं होगा। ठीक है, इसलिए थोड़ा तुम ज्यादा भी ले सकते हो। ठीक है, when you are going to use LED, you will use 220 ohms, something like that. So basically, here we are going to measure voltage across this terminal. Okay, so it is 4.76, correct. So when the intensity improves or increases and decreases, so voltage across this potential divider circuit also changes. Okay, so now we'll use this circuit for controlling LEDs. Okay, for controlling LEDs. तो सर्किट कनेक्शन सब ठीक है ना? देखो यहाँ पे सेविंग तुमको दिखा देते हैं, सेविंग क्लिक कर दिया है। देखो वो सर्किट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली, आ जाएगी सर्किट। देखो बट ये नेम तुमको चेंज कर देना। ठीक है, सो क्लिक अगेन दिस। देखो ये जो है क्लिक किया फॉर चेंजिंग द फाइल नेम। ओके, सो क्लिक हियर, सो यू कैन चेंज ऑटोमेटिक राइट। देन क्लिक हियर, चेंज हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक लाइट हो गया। सो ये सेव हो जाएगा, ऑटोमेटिक सेव हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तुम जब टिंकर के यहाँ पे ये डैशबोर्ड में क्लिक करोगे ना, ये बाहर चला जाएगा।
ओके सर।
देखो बाहर आ जाएगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन सी ऑल द प्रोजेक्ट यू हैव मेड एंड चूज एनी वन वेयर यू वांट टू गो। ठीक है, सो अप टू दिस बोलो किसी को भी डाउट है because it's your hardware circuitry. Okay, you are connecting the circuit. Okay. You are connecting the circuit. So circuit connection, basic circuits, ठीक है? Basic concept circuit design or making you have to understand. So that I am clicking here again. Now we'll go for coding. Okay, go for coding. Now we'll go for coding. And circuit you must make neat and clean. Okay, not haphazardly. इधर से इधर तार वायर क्रॉस भी सिस्टमेटिक. So it looks for all purpose. Okay. So ये तो रहता है. So फर्स्ट ये एनालॉग इनपुट रीड करना है तुमको. ठीक है, ये वैल्यू कितना है मेरे को मालूम नहीं. नाउ आई वांट टू मेंशन हियर फ्रॉम A0 टू S है F5. यहाँ पे जो है एक 10 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है एनालॉग स्केल. तो 10 मीन 2 टू द पावर 10 माने दैट मींस 1024 1024 होगा वैल्यू. ठीक है, ये 10 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है. ये जो एनालॉग सिग्नल है 10 बिट पे रिप्रेजेंट होता है. ठीक है, सो 10 बिट मींस क्या है वैल्यू 2 टू द पावर 10. सो दैट मींस 1024 मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगा. ठीक है, तो हम देखते हैं. पहले तुमको एनालॉग इनपुट रीड करनी है. सो देखो एनालॉग पिन रीड करने के लिए कौन सिंटैक्स यूज करेंगे हम. रीड एनालॉग रीड डिजिटल पिन, रीड एनालॉग पिन. सो वी यूज रीड एनालॉग पिन. करेक्ट. Now you can change A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay, so this is your input pin. Okay, A0. Now suppose you want to show you the value, what value actually coming here. Okay, A0 में क्या value आ रहा है I want to show you. That means output में चला जाएगा. And print monitor, ये print होगा. Print serial monitor hello world for showing something. Okay, in the serial monitor you use this block print to serial monitor this. So what you want to show, you want to show the value over A0. Okay, so read तुम कर लिया, read को यहाँ पे डाल दो. देखो फिट हो रहा है, यहाँ फिट हो गया. that means print to serial monitor वहाँ पे क्या रीड हो रहा है A0, वो क्या कहाँ जाएगा with new line. देखो हम रन करते हैं. स्टार्ट द सिमुलेशन. स्टार्ट हो गया. गो टू द सीरियल मॉनिटर. देखो वैल्यू दिखा रहे हैं, देखा है नहीं. सो यू चेंज नाउ, चेंज द. सो मिनिमम 54 इधर आ रहा है. नाउ यू इंप्रूव द इंटेंसिटी. देखो वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है. मूविंग वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है. देखो मूविंग बढ़ रहा है. सो वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, सो डे टाइम it gets higher than. Okay, and the your darkness is showing low value. Okay, so you have to use this value. Correct. So stop simulation. So value क्या दिखाया यहाँ पे. देखो वैल्यू दिखाया from 0 to 1024. यही होगा तुम्हारा. So क्या लिया मैंने. First you have to study, you have to read the analog input pin. ये क्या वैल्यू आ रहा है. So for that you read analog pin A0. So you can vary any one. If you connect this pin from A1, so you can choose A1. Okay, so but यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या चूज किए A0. So print serial monitor with new line. Oh, new line means one value, then other value will be the new line. So नीचे में हो रहा है इसलिए as you have used new line. Okay, as you have used यहाँ पे new line. Okay, so new line means one value and the other value will be the new line. Okay, so 9 to 9 देखो new line में 913 आ गया, 807 new line में आ गया, 897 new line में आ गया. new line नहीं भी इधर ही होगा पर. So for that if you write nearby, then it will be very much difficult to understand because 913 इधर हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा 929 913. So that will be difficult to understand. So इसलिए मैंने बोला if the intensity of the light is changing, then the value of this pin, that is analog pin, will vary. Okay, so here as I told you, value ठीक है मैक्सिमम 1024 होगा यहाँ पे ठीक है so now we are going to control some light street light so in that case we'll use LED correct we'll use LED तो अब तो बोलो अभी तक समझ में आ गया कि नहीं बोलो how to read analog pin and how to print that value in the serial monitor okay that I have shown you that I have shown you. So blocks with text, you will show the code also. देखो void setup pin mode A0 input. देखो pin mode means whatever you are choosing the pin number, whether it's being used as input and output. Okay. So pin mode A0 is input. Serial begin 9600. When you are showing this serial login begin 9600 होता है and void loop यहाँ पे देखो you are going to print the value you are going to print the value of the analog pin okay so serial dot print ln new line okay print ln now we are going to use LED one LED okay कहाँ में प्लेस करेंगे सपोज यहाँ पे हम प्लेस करेंगे okay so this is देखो this is your longer pin this is your shorter pin okay so you use one resistor here then ground connection area you can choose it sorry change the color black value ड्रम्स में काम चला जाएगा नेट बहुत स्लो है so value is to be drums and this is your positive pin anode so तो मैं कनेक्ट कर दिया check it सब तो ये एलईडी कनेक्ट हो गया ठीक है एलईडी कनेक्ट हो गया नाउ when the LED will be glow at the night that means when the value of the photoresistor showing very less so you have to make it मान लो 200 से ज्यादा होगा और 400 जैसे बोलो एनी वैल्यू 400 और 200 एनी वन और 300 उससे ज्यादा जब वैल्यू होगा ठीक है तो लाइट ऑफ हो जाएगा ठीक है सो नाउ वी गो फॉर कोडिंग so take only the blocks here so you people know that you are going to use conditions isn't it if the sensor value or photoresistor value less than 400 then LED will be glowing correct we are going to set this sort of conditions if the value of the photoresistor showing less than 400 then LED will glow otherwise it will be remain off so that means you are going to use some condition isn't it? Conditional operator so control यहाँ पे है so that's why if then else okay ये you have to use if then else So it means if analog read pin value less than something 400, then LED will glow, otherwise not. So इसलिए यहाँ पे देखो एनालॉग पिन देखो यहाँ पे नहीं सेट हो रहा है कि सेट नहीं सेट हो रहा है, इसलिए रखने को यहाँ पे। सो यहाँ पे वन मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन लेना है, क्या है ये, ग्रेटर देन लेस देन, देखो ये मैच हो जाएगा, हो गया। दैट मींस इफ क्या होगा, नाउ यू पुट दिस, यहाँ पे देखो सेट हो गया। तो नाउ इफ रीड एनालॉग पिन, नाउ इफ A0 value less than, now you put here value something, suppose 400, less than 400 क्या है, देन क्या होगा बोलो, देन LED will glow, isn't LED will glow। so कहाँ पे LED कहाँ पे कनेक्टेड है, दो नंबर है कि नहीं। so in that case you have to send high value to the pin number 2। so set पिन नंबर कितना होगा बोलो, कितने नंबर पिन में LED है, 2 नंबर पिन में। so pin 2 high and you have to give some delay, so for delay wait seconds, so wait 1 second, so it will go, नहीं तो ये ऑन हो जाएगा, वेट देने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, देखते हैं वेट ना देने से क्या होता है, ठीक है।